Okay, so hello everyone. My today's topic is all about disjoint in set in Python. Okay, so obviously like union, intersection or difference and symmetric difference. So just like that, we have one more that is set, disjoint set actually. So what is the meaning of disjoint operation? So if I have x1 equal to something, for example, x1 equal to, and obviously when it comes to this thing set, we always use the curly brackets, and I have some values 1, 2, 3, 4, and then x2 equal to, and I have some values 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so now what is the meaning of disjoint? If I write print x1 dot, okay, is disjoint, and comparing with x2 actually. So if x1 and x2 have no elements in common, then you will get answer as true. That means both these sets are having different numbers or different values, you can say. So for this also, here you all can see 1, 2, 3, 4, that is in x1, and x2 5, 6, 7, 8. So obviously there is no elements in common. So 100% we will get answer as what? True. See, we are getting that. But suppose if I modify this with something like this, now it is 1, 2, 3, 4 in x1 and 1, 6, 7, 8 in x2. So now let us check the output of this. See. So only you will get answer as true if both the set does not have elements in common. So that is all about disjoint. Thank you.